Regarding GPU, Nvidia is leading the way as they are the best players in the game of chip manufacturers. Nvidia stock is facing market pressures, and you're wondering if this is the best time to invest in Nvidia. Join us as we look into Nvidia stocks. Best stock to buy now. Most powerful company stock. Like every other business owner, the dire state of the economy is affecting the chip manufacturers. The amount reported by Nvidia stock in the second quarter could have been more encouraging. It made many investors and analyst hopes shake a bit. Nvidia stock is rising to victory as semiconductors are becoming more known to the general public. Cars, gaming consoles, and other home appliances use Nvidia semiconductors. Nvidia had a challenging quarter as its earnings weren't very encouraging, but it is still a growth stock, meaning there's more potential for growth or profitability. Nvidia's GeForce gaming GPU is among the best GPUs on the market, which means it is still very much valued by its customers, and its demand continues to be high. Nvidia powers about 72% of the supercomputers worldwide. This being said, Nvidia's stock price target is $1 trillion, of which 10% is covered by the gaming center, while the data systems and automotive segments also represent 60% of this. In the second quarter, the automotive segment presented a rise in revenue of 45% to $220 million, while the gaming center was up 61% year over year to $3.81 billion.
Now notice the data center, which is their second largest segment, is up 61% year over year. And so keep an eye on this segment because Nvidia is designing the future. And so when I mean data centers, I mean cloud computing. And so if you believe in the cloud, Nvidia is a great way to invest in it. And I'll show you later how their customers include all of the major cloud providers.
Aside from being the company that powers about 72% of supercomputers worldwide, Nvidia leads the market in AI. We shall discuss that shortly. Although the automotive segment's revenue needs to improve, management believes it will be the next $1 billion company. Nvidia had a free cash flow revenue of $837 million in the second quarter, and this money can be invested into other venues to help generate more profit for the company. This channel's contents should not be taken as professional financial advice. Kindly do your research before you invest. Also, remember to subscribe to this channel if you still need to, because if you don't, it will be very difficult to find us again. Nvidia is a company that produces, sells, or distributes programmable graphics processor technologies, graphics processing units, GPUs, media and communication processors, and handheld and consumer electronics. All these products are widely used globally, which means Nvidia's customer base is a large one. From video games to the average electronic home appliances, chips are used, which indicates a demand for Nvidia products. When it comes to artificial intelligence-focused GPUs, Nvidia happens to be the leader in that market.
What it all boils down to is that Nvidia is 1 or 2 steps ahead of the competition in nearly every market where it competes. And I say they are light years ahead of all companies when it comes to artificial intelligence melding with machine learning.
Nvidia does not only have customers all around the world, but it also has rekindled a partnership with Oracle that we will look at shortly. Nvidia semiconductor stocks will rise even if revenues come out poorly in the following quarters. This is because semiconductor stocks are susceptible and react very quickly to inflation and interest rate hikes. Oracle CEO Safra Catz has come together with Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang to revive the collaboration they once had. This partnership looks better for Nvidia than it looks for Oracle. Oracle will benefit from this, but Nvidia will fit more. Oracle will buy thousands of Nvidia's GPUs and add them to their hardware service, so it looks like Oracle is playing as a distributor of Nvidia's products. To better understand this, Nvidia manufactures the products, and Oracle does the distribution, which means more revenue for Nvidia. Oracle will purchase Nvidia's A100 and its new H100 cloud computing accelerator servers. These servers cost a lot of thousands of dollars. The H100 cloud computing accelerator servers cost about $30,000, but Nvidia will likely give a discount to Oracle because they are making a bulk purchase. Again, nothing in this video comes as financial advice. Kindly do your research before you invest. Nvidia is facing some pressures, but that is only short term. These pressures are due to inflation.
Shocking. Shocking.
And some companies are in this troll too. However, investors who already own Nvidia shares and are willing to hold onto the stock see the potential in the company. And that is because over the years, Nvidia has proven to be not just a growth stock, but a healthy one at that, as it has a track record of gains and dominating the chip market. This turmoil may be crucial, but investors looking into the future and buying or investing in Nvidia today will see great results soon. Carlos Slim Halou believes that while investing, with a good perspective on history, we can have a better understanding of the past and present, and thus a clear vision of the future. To add up, Nvidia is a research and development company. They hardly spend much on marketing and distribution. Despite the decline in revenues, Nvidia remains a growth stock with very high operating margins. That said, Nvidia is an outstanding stock to buy, provided you'll be willing to hold it for the long term. You may be wondering if you should stick to Nvidia. Well, we have an answer for you, so why don't you stop wondering and watch this video? Can Nvidia stock make you a millionaire by 2025?